ready to ditch cable and catch all the ESPN action on your Firestick. This guide will walk you through getting ESPN on your Firestick, covering everything from installing the app to linking your subscription. Let's get started. First, navigate to the search icon on your Firestick's home screen, usually located in the upper left corner. Type ESPN into the search bar. A list of results will appear. Select the official ESPN app from the search results. Make sure it's the one directly from ESPN, Inc. On the ESPN app page, click the Get or Download button. The app will begin downloading and installing. Once the installation is complete, select Open to launch the ESPN app. You may need to sign in with your ESPN account credentials. If prompted, you'll likely need to activate your device. Follow the on-screen instructions, which usually involve visiting ESPN.com, activate on your computer or mobile device and entering a code displayed on your TV. On your computer or phone, go to the provided website and enter the activation code. This links your ESPN account to your Firestick. Once activated, you should have full access to ESPN's live streams, replays, and on-demand content. If you encounter any issues, like buffering or login problems, try restarting your Firestick, checking your internet connection, or reinstalling the ESPN app, and that's it. Enjoy all the sports action on your Firestick.